The next thing I want to show you is a new Pepxim IoT product. It's the software-defined power management unit. This is a cloud-managed power controller and monitoring device. It enables us to monitor the voltage and current usage of up to 2 power inputs that can power up to 2 devices on the other side. Now, the benefit of this is that through the cloud, we can see exactly what power is being consumed by which device, and we can remotely control the power to those devices as well, powering them on and off on a schedule, or when there's an issue that needs to be resolved. It's a fantastic idea because not only can it clean up voltages that you might experience in vehicles, such as coaches and buses, so that you can have a nice, clean, regulated power supply for your devices, but it enables you to keep a very close eye on your power consumption, your power usage, and enables you to prolong and extend the life of your equipment. So for the first time, we can now remotely monitor and diagnose power-related issues, which greatly reduces the need to send engineering staff into the field.